Hey, what's up and welcome back to BYSTEPHIENICS. So today is a super exciting day because we are doing a giveaway. It's finally summer, which means it's time for bright, fun, colorful makeup, and I felt bad doing it all by myself. I wanted you guys to share in the fun. So when I went to Sephora to pick up the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, I picked one up for you guys too. I don't want to mix those up. Okay, putting yours back down there for safekeeping, and we're gonna use mine to talk about. Okay, so let's open it up and take a look at what we got going on here. I would say that this is the ultimate summer palette. I mean, look at those gorgeous bright colors. Are you kidding me? She ain't kidding me. I've been using this for a while and I still can't get over it. Like, it's just a beautiful, beautiful palette. I love it. So obviously I am rocking the Riviera palette today on my eyes, and if you're wondering how to get this look, you're in luck, because at the end of the video I'm gonna be doing a whole tutorial on this look for you today. So yeah. Stay tuned. After we do swatches and giveaway rules and all that, you know, fun stuff, we're gonna get into even more fun stuff with learning how to do this eye look. I don't know, that was a weird sentence, wasn't it? Gonna roll right on, aren't we? Okay, so I said the word swatches and I can't tease you and make you wait for that any longer, so I think we should dive right into that and then we'll get into the giveaway rules after. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with Sales. It's a matte white, and as expected, it blends right into my skin because I am a matte white. Here we've got Yacht, and they describe this color as a duochrome mauve taupe with a violet shift. I'm not making this up. This is what they say. Gorge. Gorge. Here is Seychelles. It's a metallic aquamarine, and I would say this is one of the standouts from the palette. I mean, come on, come on. Here's Palermo, one of the colors I used today. This is a metallic jewel pink. Gorgeous color. I mean, they're all gorgeous. So I think I could stop saying it, but I won't. I ain't gonna. Here we've got Seaside. It's a duochrome silver with a subtle blue shift. And it really looks more like a periwinkle-y silver to me, but you know, yeah, it's reading like very purpley to me. Beautiful, nonetheless. Here's Inheritance, a metallic true gold. It's like the brightest yellow eyeshadow I've ever seen. No lie, no lie. And our last shade from the top row is Mediterranean, a metallic sky blue. Guys, this row, like really? I'm okay with that. Just watch this. Do you see that shimmer? Like, hello. That is a beautiful row of eyeshadows. I think I'm gonna have to switch the other arm for the mattes. Is that like okay? Yeah, we're gonna do it. Okay, this is Estate, the first shade from the second row, and I'm gonna have to read this description. It's a matte, soft, pastel peachy pink. I always use this shade as my crease color, and it's perfect for it. Again, like blending in where to go. There it is. Where'd you go, Estate? Where'd you go? Here's Cabana, and this is described as a matte muted birch mustard. Someone was having fun writing these descriptions, I'm telling you. But yeah, the color. Gorgeous mustardy brown. I love it. And also the mattes are all super, super soft, just in terms of texture. Metallics, I gotta say, are a little crumbly. Let me see if I can get you a shot of that. You see how much like it picked up there? So the metallics are a little messy when you're working with it. In the pan, it gets kicked up a little bit, but I didn't have any problem with like fallout on my face, so don't worry. Anyway, back to the swatches. What are we up to? Here's Coastline. It's a matte pastel soft peach. Very similar to Estate, but it's got more pigment to it. And I don't know, my swatches are like going sideways. I gotta fix that. And now to my favorite matte of the whole palette, and probably everyone's favorite matte. Here we've got Bahamas. And let's just take a minute to absorb that neon realness. They describe it as, oh, I can't even with them, matte, bright, bold, candy hot pink pressed pigment. I love this. Oh my god, look at my finger. I'm having fun swatching. Next up, we've got Monte Carlo. And this might be my favorite color from the whole palette. I use this with like every look. Come on, it's beautiful. They describe it as a matte, cool mid-tone pink. And I would agree with them. It looks like candy. These two just look like candy, and I'm gonna not eat my eyeshadow, don't worry. Controlling myself. This finger's just gonna be stained forever, so yes. Second to last color is Can. It is gorgeous royal purple. Let me swatch it before I just, you know, tell you what it is. Well, that's like the messiest swatch in existence, but they describe Can as a matte, bright violet purple pressed pigment, and I mean, come on. Use it today. Loving it. On to the final shade. This one is called Palm, and it's just a nice neutral dark brown. They describe it as a matte dark chocolate brown pressed pigment. But yeah, it's a nice neutral color. I'm gonna be honest with you, I haven't used it in any looks yet. I don't usually play around with super, super dark colors, but quality of it's great. They're all great colors. Yes, there we go. Colorful arms, colorful fingers. Hot over here with Riviera, eh? So here we've got the top row, all of them together, and the bottom row, all the metallics, all the mattes, all the beauty of this gorgeous, gorgeous palette. It's gonna be one of yours soon. How exciting. Should I wipe my arms clean or like chance it that I won't touch my shirt and ruin my shirt? I think I gotta wipe it off. Give me a sec. All clean. Okay, so now we gotta get to the giveaway rules so you can learn how to get this beautiful palette into your life so you can do fun arm swatches for yourself. If you watched my last giveaway, my holiday giveaway with 3 prizes, 3 winners, that whole fun situation that happened, it's gonna be the exact same rules. So we're gonna have 3 simple, easy to follow rules that you gotta follow in order to qualify to win the palette. Number 1, subscribe to me here on YouTube, by StephieNix. Scroll right down, hit the red button. In one of those corners it says BSN, you could click that and subscribe also. There are lots of ways to do it, but just make sure that you're subscribed, okay? Okay. Number 2, you gotta follow me over on Instagram. It's the exact same name, by StephieNix. I'll have it linked in the description box to make it super easy for you to just click and follow, and then you're good. And then the 3rd required step that you gotta do in order to enter the giveaway is you gotta scroll down below this video and comment your Instagram username so that I can find you if you win. And along with that, list your favorite summer product. Like your summer essential. It could be like your summer foundation that you switched to. It could be a sunscreen, a hair product, clothing item. I don't know, whatever you want to tell me. Get creative, leave me some fun stuff, and then everyone else can like scroll through and get cool suggestions. It'll be a fun time. Yep, so easy as that. Subscribe, follow, and comment. But now we're getting a little more complicated for all you overachievers out there. There are bonus entries. I have 5 additional quick and easy things you can do in order to increase your chances of winning, and I promise you they're worth your time. Every additional thing you do gets you an additional entry, and who doesn't want an extra shot of winning this thing? Bonus entry option number 1 is to turn on notifications here on YouTube. Right next to the subscribe button that you just hit, there's a bell. When you click the bell, you turn on notifications for my channel. So when I post a video, it comes up on your phone, and then it's just awesome because you're like the first to know. Hashtag early squad, hashtag BYSTEPHIENICS hashtag, or hashtag even a thing anymore. Second bonus entry. Over on my Instagram, by StephieNix, there's gonna be a giveaway post. It's gonna be some sort of picture of me like holding up the palette, being like, yay, giveaway. All you gotta do, double tap, like that picture. That's a bonus entry for you. And while you're on that giveaway post over on Instagram, option number 3 comes along. If you tag a friend in the comments of that giveaway post, that's an extra entry for you. And the amazing part of this is there is no limit. You can tag 300 of your closest friends. Just make sure each one is in a separate comment, and that'll be 300 extra entries for you. And heck, that's a lot of entries. The 4th way to get a bonus entry is to just repost that giveaway post from Instagram on your own Instagram or your Instagram stories. Thing is, you gotta just tag me at BYSTEPHIENICS so that I'm aware of it, because otherwise I won't know and it won't count. And then the 5th option is to repost that giveaway post or this video that you're watching right here. If you just copy the link over on Facebook, on Twitter, wherever you want to do it. But again, you'd have to tag me so that I know, at BYSTEPHIENICS. And yeah, I think that's all the ways that you can enter. The giveaway will be closed on Saturday, June 22nd, the day after the first official day of summer. So get hyped. It's a real kickoff to summer giveaway. I'll be DMing the lucky winner on Sunday, June 23rd, the day after. So keep an eye on your Instagram DMs that day for sure. Might have a nice, exciting little message from me sitting there. And I think that's all I gotta say about that. Okay, so now that we've got our swatches and our giveaway rules out of the way, we can get on to the super fun part, the tutorial for this eye look right here. I'm super proud of this. I never play with this many colors and bright colors and blending and whatever. I don't know, I had super fun time doing this stuff for you guys. So I hope you enjoy me teaching it to you. Hope you pick up some skills. If you own the palette, then you can follow along. Whoever wins the palette, and they can definitely follow along this part. So enjoy. Here we go. So first, as always, I'm gonna start off by priming my eye. This time I'm gonna go all the way up to my brow bone because we are doing a full look today. I'm using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-Hour Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. Then I'm gonna dive right into the palette, and I'm gonna be using the matte white shade Sails to set my entire lid. This is giving you a nice base for the rest of our colorful look. Then I'm gonna go into State. It's like this light coral taupey color on a blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend it up nice and high into the crease, and then just bring down the rest onto my lid. At this point, we're still just laying the foundation. Now we're gonna start in with some color. So I'm gonna go into Monte Carlo. I'm gonna pick that up on the same blending brush, and I'm gonna use this as my crease color. Again, bringing it pretty high, and then focusing it really on the outer corner. The key to this gradient look is blending, so girl, blend till your fingers bleed. Now using the brush that came with this palette, I'm gonna go into Bahamas. I'm just using the flat end. I'm gonna pack this color onto the outer third of my eye, going up pretty high. And then to keep things nice and blended as we go along, I'm gonna go back into Monte Carlo with the blending brush and just blend out that crease again to kind of fade Bahamas in so there's no harsh line there. And then since that kind of muted Bahamas down just a bit, I'm gonna go back in with that ABH brush and just pack it down right in the same spot. So basically we're just repeating what we did before. The outer corner is looking good, so let's move on to the lid. I'm gonna pick up that metallic pink Palermo on my finger, and I'm just gonna pack and swipe this along my lid. You're gonna be going from where Bahamas, that bright pink, ended, all the way to your inner corner, but leave a little space there. Don't go all the way in. Using your finger for these bright metallics, I found it really helps get you the most pigmentation out of the color. At this point, you probably already know what's coming, but we're gonna go right back into Monte Carlo with that blending brush and I'll blend out the crease. Now for a bright pop of purple, we're gonna go into Can, and we're just gonna lay this with that flat end of the ABH brush over Bahamas, that hot pink. I absolutely love how these two colors look together. So lay that right over Bahamas in the outer corner, and then pick up just a little more of Can on your blending brush, and you're gonna kind of diffuse the layering a little bit by just doing circular motions right over those two colors, and then you're gonna blend it into your crease. Focus this more on the outer end of your eye. Don't bring the purple all the way in. You're gonna wanna keep the purple more towards the outer third. Now we're gonna move down and work on the lower lid for a bit. So you're gonna pick up Monte Carlo on a packed, firm brush, and you're just gonna run this along your lower lash line. Just make sure not to bring this too far into the inner corner because we wanna leave that blank for the yellow to come. And don't be scared about bringing this too low, because if you keep it too tight by your lashes, you're gonna end up not seeing it once you put mascara on. So bring it a little lower than you want to. And to mimic what we got going on the upper lid, you're gonna pick up some Can and lay it down on the outer third of your lower lash line. To keep things nice and seamless, you can run the color from the lower lash line up to the outer corner. And now for that exciting pop of yellow, we're gonna be going into Cabana, that matte muted yellow. I'm gonna be using a detail brush, and I'm just gonna pack this into my inner corner, top and bottom. And you're gonna bring it all the way over to Palermo on the top and Monte Carlo on the bottom. Now that we've got our matte yellow down, we wanna go in with some glitter. So you're gonna take that same brush and go into Inheritance, that metallic yellow, and you're just gonna do the exact same thing, packing it right over Cabana on your inner corner, top and bottom. You can see I'm really going in pretty heavy with the yellow inner corner, and that's because later we are gonna soften it a bit, so don't be scared. And I'm just gonna go back to Monte Carlo with the first brush we used on the bottom, and I'm just gonna blend out the lower lash line a bit so that the yellow and the purple all blends in nicely into the pink. And once more, last time I promised, you're gonna go in with your blending brush into Monte Carlo and blend out that crease. And now for a fun last touch, I'm gonna go into that white matte shade that we started with, Sails, and I'm gonna use this to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. Don't be scared if this touches the other colors. I really like what it does. It kind of like softens the edges and ties it all together. And there we go. That completes the Riviera portion of the eyes. Now off camera, I'm just gonna swipe on some cat eye liner and mascara, and bam, there we go. That completes our eye look. Welcome back. That was a fun time, wasn't it? So I think that kind of covers it for what I wanted to tell you today about this fun giveaway. If you're super excited for it and you want more giveaways, make sure you hit the like button down below to let me know, to send you off into this giveaway. I just want to wish you all good luck. Have fun with it. Get creative with your comments and your sharing and all your little bonus entries. Show me that you're excited and that you really want it, and I'm telling you that ups your chances for sure. One last look if you want this nautical summer bright beautiful palette in your life. Just follow all the steps that are listed down below in the description box, and yeah, good luck to you all. Happy summer, have a great day, go out, enjoy some beach time, and yeah, thanks for watching. As always, this was BYSTEPHIENICS.